And now even more untraditional scenario analysis, or even more difficult scenario analysis. Remember that initially, right now we played around together with demand and order size, but initially we wrote for demand a random number. It went like this: equals rand parenthesis, and this gave us a number that was between 0 and 0,999. When we multiplied with 4001, then the demand is going to be between 0 and 4000,999. When we cut commas away, int was the function, integer, which in other words, either we can say that it rounds down or it cuts away comma places. So here we have a number that's between 0 and 4000. Now, we don't let the order size change. Order size is now 2500, that's what we're investigating. And we let the demand be randomly changing. And now, to a new data table. We once again write equals profit. So this is what we're investigating. But now we write just simply numbers 1 and 2, copy them so that the numbers will be from 1 to 20. Here they are. And give the data table command. We select the table and give command data, what if analysis, data table. And again, these numbers here are in a column below each other. So we take the column input cell, name it column input cell, and this time we just simply either write A1 or select this cell A1 in here. In this case it's going to be $A, $1, but it's going to be just the same. And now what's going to happen is pretty interesting. Microsoft Excel is going to write these numbers 1, 2, 3 up to 20 in the cell A1, and actually nothing should happen. But what happens is that every time we change something in Excel, this random demand number gets a new value. Which means that we're as if playing around with the fortune of our company. For 20 times we take the random new demand values, and all the time we write out the profit line. So let's click OK, and once again these numbers are big, so let's select them. Control 1, Arial 12. Okay, and now here are 20 simulations, or 20 times we played around with our company. Okay, let's now select these values, and let's use line graph. So it's insert, line graph. Let's take the first one again. And here it is. This is what happened to our company. So most of the time it was in profits, but many times it wasn't. So was an order size in case of this demand, in case of this demand a smart choice? Then again, we see something interesting. The profit never gets higher than 20,000. Why is that? The reason is simple. Namely, however big the demand will be, we can never sell more than we've ordered in, 2,500. So when the demand is really big, we'll still be selling 2,500 and getting a profit of 20,000. Okay. But the lower profits and the losses, these are uneven. So And this is a scenario analysis of our company. Playing around with it, seeing what fits better, what should we do now is the next question.